Nhlangano wa mathekisi yele Mankweng hi Ravuntlhanu wu kavanyete nkhuluko wa mimovha hi ku paka mathekisi endzeni ka gondzo leri. Leswi kavanyete na mabindzu eMall of the North na tindhawini tin'wana ta mavhengele tele kusuhi. Ku tlhele ku hisiwa mathekisi ya 3 na movha. Ehenhla ka sweswo, phorisa rin'we ri hlaseriwile no vavisiwa. Vakhandziyi va vula leswaku xiyimo xi vuyele vutshan'wini namuntlha.
Now it's safe because there is always the police on this road, so everyone feels safe now and they are no longer here. I don't know what happened, but I think it's better now because we are commuting. I don't know what is it that they are striking for, but I just hope they reach an agreement so that also us as residents will feel safe and we also have transport to move from one place to another.
Minhlangano ya mathekisi havumbirhi yi na ntshembo wa leswaku nhlengeletano wa mundzuku wu ta kuma swintshunxo.
We hoping a better solution that will alleviate all the problems, because all of us, we have the rights to operate in that particular route. So my wish is let's the department and all role players understand that let's share the business.
Transport must conquer or tell us who must work where, so that the two associations must understand where who must work where and going from point A to point B, so that we don't have that conflict that we had on Friday.
Maphorisa ve le ku lavisiseni ka milandzu yo onha nhundzu mayelana no hisiwa ka mathekisi. Epiman Palo wa mahungu ya SABC ePolokwane.